This video shows you how to manage your webinar replay. To access your webinar replay, you have a couple of options. First, you can click on the media library icon located on the left menu inside your account. From there, navigate to the video section and click on replays. Here, you can preview or download each recording as needed. Another way to access your webinar replay is through the My Webinars page. Simply go to Past Webinars, click on Options, and select either Watch Replay or Download Replay. To manage replay accessibility, click on Options, then click Webinar Settings. From there, scroll down to the Webinar Replay Expiration section. You can choose to keep the replay accessible indefinitely with the option labeled No Expiration. Set a specific number of days with the option labeled Expire After, or disable access to the replay entirely with the option labeled No Replay After Webinar. And that's it.